The Virtual Help Center is designed to support you at every step of your journey on the website. It's the dedicated space where you can find answers to the most common questions, quickly, clearly, and whenever you need them. Once you log into your private area, you can access it from different points throughout the platform. Simply expand your profile and click on Help, or find it in the bottom menu while navigating. On the main screen, as soon as you enter your private area, you'll also see the Frequently Asked Questions section at the bottom of the page. And wherever you see the chat widget, you can access instant assistance in real time. Because every detail matters, and your experience should always feel seamless, fast, intuitive, exclusive.